Vagar, how are you?
I'm good, Devi. How?
Yeah, I'm also good. And I think I'm also really happy while coming into this, I think this award function, right? After a lot of hard work and all, you got an offer letter. So, like, and how was you feeling, Divakar, at this moment?
Yeah, it's like very happy because like for Accenture itself, it was my second interview. Like in February, I gave one interview. Uh,
Okay.
like first round was clear, but
Mm-hmm.
due to some budget issues, they closed those positions. But
Okay.
later again, like with different designation, uh,
Uh-huh.
like I have applied for Accenture. Like
Okay.
day before yesterday itself, I had interview.
Oh,
Like yesterday itself, I got offer.
okay, fine. I think let me enable the chat also. I think people can able to, are you able to give the congratulation message also to the Divakar. Divakar, I am also happy, obviously. So because you put lot of effort, finally you got an offer letter, right? It will be good actually.
Yeah, I gave around 8 interviews, but eight
Okay.
interviews was rejected.
Uh-huh. But finally you got an offer, right?
Yeah, yes,
Okay, great. So I think that will be really good in the coming days also, like when you're attending like an interviews, obviously you can able to get it. So it
yeah.
will be
Like
also
only after taking Naukri subscription, I started getting calls.
okay. These days, that kind of a things will be there. Once you get a subscription only, like again, it will be shortlisting will be possible. And like and when you coming into the interviews, right, in the initial days of the transition, so what are the things you face, Divaka? Like and how the things was?
Yeah, like in starting, like one or two companies, in our classes, like project was not started yet. Like still we
Hmm.
were in theory parts itself.
Hmm.
So like those time, I was facing like new questions in interviews.
Hmm.
Like later
Okay.
after January, like in February when I started, like it was easy, but only thing is they must have hands-on on SQL and PySpark codes. Like they will
Okay.
ask minimum one or two questions from
Hmm.
there, like
Hmm.
which are like repeating itself from our notes. Like
Yeah.
those notes are like more than
Hmm.
sufficient.
Okay.
Sometimes
Fine.
like 50% of them is enough.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that is also really good. At least Ashwini also told me you are attending like an interviews, you're putting so much hard work, right? Some cases we need extra building the resumes and all. So that is also as a mentor, as an I think in the community you are giving a best result at this moment. So I'm just giving a congratulations from my end also. Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah. And like I think when will be the joining actually?
They gave me May 8th.
Okay. That means almost 1 month time will be there.
Yeah,
Okay, fine. So anyway, I would team just give a big congratulations to him also. I think all people are given the congratulations also. Really good. And Divakar, I would say like keep going and any kind of a things you need, let us know. We will help you from us.
sure. Maybe. Like I
Okay.
need, like as you know, I have moved from QA. I need
Mhm.
some like more support. Like I this 1 month I'll be like more preparing with respect to
Okay.
those projects as well. As
Definitely,
I'm
Vivaka. Like, and even the QA, I know the QA transition is also possible. Even like an it's supporting role also possible because we are upskilling only. So when you're upskilling, definitely the result will be coming. So any kind of help you can let me know. We will be help you. And second thing, Tivakar, how you know about like a vision board things also.
Yeah, I came to know from Instagram itself, like
Instagram also,
Instagram
right?
ads.
Okay. I think that Instagram arts it will be good for now, right? I think you got an offer letter.
Yeah, even like two of my friends joined along with my session, and also today one of my friend want to join. Like she has pinged you,
Uh-huh. Monica,
but
right?
she's
She
like,
pinged me.
yes,
I
but
was busy.
she's confused because this batch 10 has started.
Ah,
So I said her like now first join because now hiring cycle is high. You can continue with like previous classes and can progress
yeah.
with current
That
batch.
I will speak with her also. Like, and I think you already know, right? This is a community because that much of help we are like doing from me and our team is also helping you, tracking you, right? So obviously the main aim, at least we want to influence everyone's life. So finally, like an offer letter with this one. I'm also happy, Divakar, from your case.
Tomorrow I have one more interview with
Okay,
Deloitte for
okay.
Deloitte.
Yeah, yeah. Keep
Two,
going, keep
three.
going.
Yeah,
Whatever like and coming into the way, right? All the things you want to do because 1 month time we need to utilize maximum from our end. Some people will be sit idle, but that is not enough. We need to continuously preparing for the interviews and all. That will be given a ultimate result. Okay. So team, I just want to give you a congratulations to Divakar. Divakar, please attend. Currently, you got in one offer letter. And the coming days, maybe after the one like a month of May, maybe you're getting like a 5 to 10 offer letter. So just focus and again, just one more time, just come back to the vision board. So based upon the first offer letter, I'm just given like a 2000 cash prize for you. Okay. So that is kind of a gratitude gift. And once you attain like a more, we need to touch like a 10K also. Okay.
sure.
Just focus, prepare more, keep like an Ashwati ask you to every day, whatever the tracking also, right? Keep
Yeah,
updating us.
yeah. That it was very helpful actually.
Everyday tracking is really helpful, right? So
Like
what are the
first 30
progress?
days and later 45 days.
Okay, okay. That is really nice. Like and even 60 days also really good. So that's why just focus, complete all the things next to 30 days and we can touch like a 13 offer letter. Okay, currently I think how much percentage you got?
I was supposed like I was asking 40%. They gave me 50%.
Oh, nice. For the first offer letter, right? Then check
Instead of
about like
16,
16.
16
Oh,
LP.
okay, great. So even like in transition also done, even 50% hike also we get. But your experience, you can expect like in 20 or 25 also. So when you're reaching that level, definitely we need more offer letters. So that you need to be focused more.
Sure.
Okay, sure. Thanks, Divagar. I will send you the gift soon.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Sure.